This video lists the best stocks for tomorrow, May 20th, Friday, 2022. And stick with us till the very end and we'll show you how to get these stock picks every day before 7 a.m. at our RBAMResearch.com website, 100% free. You notice on the left hand side we list the stocks and the ticker symbol. These are good for tomorrow, the 20th. They're buy onlys. And the holding periods are 1 day, 5 day, and 20 day. Those would be your maximum hold. You either close it out at the end of the holding period or take a profit if you can. If you see a 0, that means there's no recommended price to keep an eye on that day. All of these prices are reference points only. It's up to you to decide what you want to do, and you buy at your own risk. You trade at your own risk. Of course, this is all for entertainment purposes only. If you take a look at Apple, you can see the recommended price to keep an eye on for the 1 day hold. That's what means if you wanted to, you could buy tomorrow at this price if it hit it, and then close it out the next day, the next trading day. If it showed a profit, but you'd close it out at the end of the next trading day regardless, and so forth with a 5 day and a 20 day hold. We list 190 plus stocks, starting usually with the most actives. And then as you can see, some of these don't have any entry prices, most of them do today. And as we scroll down, they become less active, but they're pretty much traded with sufficient volume every day so that you can make some decent trades on them. If we go down here to the very end, you can see exactly how to get these for yourself. Again, all these entry prices shown are good only on the day listed above. In this case, Friday the 20th of May 2022. All the information is provided for entertainment purposes only, and you trade at your own risk. If you'd like to get these prices by 7 a.m. each weekday morning, including 190 plus stocks, the major forex pairs, crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts, you can do that for free at RBAMResearch.com. Just go to RBAMResearch.com, click the button to register, and it'll process you through, no credit card required. Click the like button down below, please, if you like this video. If you want to subscribe, please do that. And again, remember, all this is for entertainment purposes only, and as usual, you always trade at your own risk.